Assalamualaikum, dosto. Welcome to the channel. Aaj hum banayenge ek powerful vacuum pump. Wo be surf ek parane refrigerator compressor say. Ye ek amazing DIY project hai. Aur hum isko Urdu aur Hindi. Dono mine detail mine explain karane. Taki aap sabko achi tara samaj aya. Scene 1 Introduction. Sabsi pella. Apko chahi hoga ek purana refrigerator ka compressor. Ye wohi compressor hai jo apka fridge ko then darakta hai. Aur aksar karab ho. John par faint dia jada hai. Hum isko vacuum pump banan ke liye use karane. Iska alawa. Humane kuch aur cheesin chahi hongi. Jays ki ek welding machine. Jo ki handle ko weld karne ke kam ayegi. Beer ek handle. Jo pump ko uthane mine madad karega. X suction port. Jahan hum vacuum line connect karane. Flare nuts. Taki hum lines ko secure car sakin. Aur akir mine. Ek manifold gauge. Jo vacuum key reading dikayega. Scene 2 Preparing the compressor. Chali shuru kart hain. Compressor k uber. Hum welding machine say ek handle weld karane. Handle ko achi tara say weld karna zarori. Hi. Taki wo pump ko uthane par tuk na jai. Iska bod. Hum suction port banayenge. Suction port ke liye. Hum compressor ke ek tariff flare nut fit karane. Flare nut ko tight karna b zarori hi. Taki air leaks na ho. Ye wo jaga hogi jahan. Say hum vacuum line connect karane. Aur fear vacuum create karane. Scene 3 Assembling the pump and manifold gauge connection. Ab. Hum manifold gauge ko connect karane. Manifold gauge. Vacuum pump k vacuum ko measure karne k liye use hoda hay. Ye bao important hai. Kayunki. Ye humane batata hai ki kidna vacuum create ho raha hai. Hum manifold gauge ko suction port say connect karane. Taki hum dek sakin ki pump. Kidna vacuum create car raha hai. Manifold gauge mine low pressure or high pressure. Key readings hodi hain. Lekin hum yahan surf low pressure vacuum par focus karane. Scene 4 Demonstration. Vacuuming a small AC system. Hum ek chode AC system ko vacuum pump say connect karane. Is apko pada chalega ki ye pump kidna effective high. Hum vacuum pump ko chalu karane. Aur manifold gauge par vacuum key reading ko dekenge. Op dekenge ki k's ye pump. AC system mine say hawa. Aur moisture ko bahar nakalta high. Aur ek strong vacuum banata high. Ye vacuum. AC system key efficiency k liye bao zarori high. Kayunki. Ye refrigerant ko sahi tara say circulate karne mine madad karta high. Scene 5 Oil level check. Importance and procedure. Ab. Bot cart hain oil level check key. Compressor mine oil hona bao zarori high. Oil, compressor K and RK components ko lubricate karta high. Aur unko sahi tara say kam karne mine madad karta high. Agar oil kam hoga. To compressor karab ho sakta high. Oil level check karne k liye. Compressor par ek oil level site glass hoda hay. Opus dek sakti hain ki oil level sahi high ya nahi. Agar oil level kam high. To apko sahi grade ka oil dom ki zarorat high. Ye oil, compressor K manufacturers K specifications K high sob. Say hona chahi. Taki compressor key life bod sake. Scene 6 Final words and project summary. Dosto, ye da hamara DIY vacuum pump. Humne dekha ki k's hum ek. Parane refrigerator compressor say ek powerful vacuum pump bana sakti hain. Ye project asan hai. Aur op isko gar par b try car sakti hain. Is project say op parane equipment ko reuse. Car sakti hain. Aur opni paise b baka sakti hain. Agar apko ye video pasand aaya to. Like karane. Share Karain our channel subscribe Karain. Niche comment section mine. Apni queries our suggestions Zaror Likie. Shukriya. Allah Hafiz.